Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us one more true wireless earphones, and this time it's from Noise, and they are the Noise Airbuds Mini. These are the lighter version of the earbuds which we have reviewed a few months back. Starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the picture of the earphones and the model name Airbuds Mini. At this side of the box we can see their design in India. At the back we can see some key features, and they're available in two colors, pearl white and black. And the one we have here is the white variant. About the main features, you get the 14.2mm driver, hyper sync, full touch control and one key reset option. The MRP of these earbuds is Rs 2,999. However, they will be available to purchase from Flipkart from tomorrow for just Rs 1,299. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box first we get this thank you card, and here we have the details about the warranty registration. And then you get this quick start guide and how to reset these earbuds. And then after that, we get the user manual which has a detailed info about the touch controls. And then below it, we have the charging case and you get the earbuds inside. And guys, I must say that the case is very small and I like the fact that it's very well built. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get this mini box, and inside it, we get this Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Starting with the case, the build quality of the case is amazing and it looks like a mini AirPods case. The door quality is very good and you can easily open this case with only one hand. The glossy finish on this case looks premium. Now in terms of the overview, in the front you have the Noise logo, and at the bottom we have this Type-C charging port which is really good, especially at this price range. And then next to it you have the reset button. Overall in terms of design and build quality, full marks to Noise, as this earphone feels premium and looks good. And to be honest, the best I have tested in this price segment. Now looking at the earbuds, we have these mini earbuds inside the case. For the first time, you need to remove this protective film and then they will be ready to pair. As you get the HyperSync with these earbuds, you don't need to take them out of the case for pairing. Now in terms of the design, you get the AirPods design with a smaller stem size. You get the touch control on both the earbuds, and also there is a mic in each earbud for calling. The earbuds are also lightweight and weigh only 4.4 grams each. And as mentioned earlier, you get a larger 14.2mm driver in these earbuds. Now talking about the battery, you get the 300 mAh battery in the case and the 35 mAh battery in the earbuds, which means you can charge them 3 to 4 times more, giving you a total battery backup of up to 15 hours. Now let's pair them with our phone. So for pairing, you will need to just open the case and then they will appear in the available Bluetooth device list. And that's it, they're ready to pair. Starting with the controls, a single tap on the touch sensitive panel of the right earbud increases the volume, and a single tap on the left earbud decreases the volume. You can pause and play music by double tapping on either of the earbuds. Long press on the right earbud takes you to the next song, and long press on the left earbud takes you back to the previous song. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by triple tapping on any of the earbuds. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. So first of all about the comfort, because they are lightweight, you can use them for long hours without any issue. And as expected, the isolation is not as good as the in-ear style earbuds. But I can tell you, they will not fall off your ears easily. These earbuds are also IPX4 waterproof, so you can use them while working out. Now about the sound quality, first of all they are very loud, and believe me, I was using them only at 60 to 70% volume, and still they were pretty loud for me. Now about the audio, because of the larger driver, you get a decent bass and the voice clarity is good. And also the instrument separation in these earbuds is very good. And again, you will not feel the bass that much due to the design, but for me, the bass is sufficient and it's as per my liking. I have listened to different genres of music with these earbuds and they perform pretty good. And overall, I'm really happy with the performance. I've also watched videos on Netflix and other OTT platforms, and there also the performance was good and you get good voice clarity for dialogues. And also, there is no noticeable lag in these earbuds while watching videos. Now lastly about the mic clarity, I've taken a few calls with them, and guys, I find the mic performance very good, so you can use them for voice and video calls. So overall the Noise Airbuds Mini offers good quality and design. The audio output from these earbuds is definitely very good, keeping in mind the pricing, which is just Rs 1,299. And one thing which I really like about these earbuds is the form factor. They are compact and lightweight, which makes them easy to carry them around. So if you're looking for a decent true wireless earbuds and the in-ear style is not your preference, then I highly recommend you to check out these new Noise Airbuds Mini. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Airbuds Mini. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any queries or questions about these earbuds, do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.